Mame mamu akwa ba bag and some TVGH mesra like comment subscribe turn on notification also so that anytime you post video bit say you make be. Ebusianfo Captain Smart or a hypocrite. Yeah. And you see, unfortunately, it's only in Ghana that when somebody is called a hypocrite, the person takes it as being offensive. Who hear hypocrisy in Yama? But I don't want us to call you a hypocrite. And what word should we use? Because clearly, idea we know is that these are signs and symptoms of hypocrisy. Captain Smart, over the time, has always been trying to paint the impression as though or a neutral journalist or no. In fact, he has even attempted to make it look say now a MPP ni but Akufo-Addo asem na ompe. That is the impression Captain Smart over time has sought to create. Again, Captain Smart, oti onua FM, onua TV ho nyina no. Na onfa obia ho. And one say every morning sorry na odi ne tawo. Esi mu nyina no na ne hu mfifiri. Or say oye journalism, or say break down issues. Now recently minim ne ko ba wa Captain Smart says say the odun super so be MP. Kire say Kwame plus e dey kan konti. Omu say ho ayefu obi apese okubi.
If I may ask, we are seen on the media that you are trying to pursue some political ambition. Is it part of this project that you are doing?
Yes, I will be contesting.
Parliament of the Republic of Ghana, a place of serious business, no. Kojo Smart say opese okubi. Na also okubi no. Owa na Kojo Smart say oye project. I free yen kontia we dagi boreholes 50 them and my question and I said so Captain Smart, if you had all this money sika odi project we nyina no, you had this money, but if not because you wanted to become MP, you will have kept this money to yourself. Sanity. Then that is not genuineness. So Oscar na community a team no. You know, Senkofo Yansio, people need boreholes, right? And all these years, you have the money, you won't touch it until you decide, say, you want to become MP. Then it means you stand to gain something. And yet, out of genuine love for the people. And you see, when you start some of these things now, that is when people come later on and make demands and you tell them, say, MP is not supposed to be an agent of development. Captain Smart, Kojo Smart. Yeah. You are the kind of people come and tell us, say, MP is there to make legislation and represent the people. But you are using these things to deceive the people. Say, why you boho? Why you say say? And then Captain Smart to say you want to contest on the ticket of NDC. Kind of fool. You see, when we tell us that nobody's a neutral, everyone has an interest. See, these are the things we're talking about. People are just leveraging on the platform that have been given to them, the opportunity that have been given to them for people to listen to foster almost selfish agenda. Mekaipa Ebrana MPP ewo power no. Sometimes me call shows wa na you see a friend a law professor be a law lecturer be a friend SRM. And whenever this man called in and makes his point na mitia, I could feel said no, there's something wrong. This is not pure law. It's not all about law. There's a political agenda hidden behind. And then we are all seeing say NDC for by Omar Wadeno, Deputy Attorney General. So when Captain Smart was doing all those his agenda against MPP, not knowing or per se MPP NDC being attracted so that he can also contest as a member of parliament. NDC for me, I leave it to you. If you allow people to invade your party like this, I don't care. What do we know is whether Captain Smart decides to run independent, whether he decides to run on the ticket of NDC or not, Gomwa West Honomono, Ebeye MPP.
If I may ask, we are seen on the media that you are trying to pursue some political ambition. Is it part of this project that you are doing?
Yes, I will be contesting for the NDC primaries. I'll win and become the Member of Parliament for the Gomoa West constituency. We need to change the face of politics. We need to change the face of everything that we do. I mean, the cry is so huge and it's so loud, but it looks like nobody is listening. So I started just about a month ago. We've done quite some number of things. I mean, you'll be hearing some of it yourself. We've done about 42 boreholes already. I've tackled about 10 6-unit classroom blocks, tackling about 11 3-unit classroom blocks for KG. And then now we're doing the driver's license. We're doing the free Wi-Fi. And then again, we'll move on to Monday. The National Identification Authority will be in the constituency for the whole period of about 2 weeks. Every Gomoa Westphalian must have a Ghana card free of charge, which I have
Free
free.
without paying anything.
No, I've paid already. Like I've paid for the license. So we'll have the National Identification Authority coming in here, the entire constituency. Everybody will have a Ghana card, and then after the National Health Insurance Scheme people will also come. I've also paid for that one. They also come and give every Gomoa West constituent Ghana card and then the health insurance card. After which, next Saturday, we're cutting sword for the first ever DVLA office in the constituency at Gumwadincha.
Yes,
We're supposed to have done it today, but unfortunately, because of the cleanup exercise which was initiated by His Excellency the President, we cannot be counter-crossing the President whilst we need to clean the entire nation. So next week, Saturday, we'll be cutting the sword for the DVLA office. And then the following week, we will launch the Operation 5,000 vocational training for 5,000 people in the constituency. We want to train the women, we want to train the youth to go into soap making, brown sugar. They'll be doing quite a lot of things, pastries and all. We'll bring a team of experts to come into the constituency to train. The first phase is 3,000. The second phase will be 3,000. The third phase will be 3,000. The fourth phase will be 3,000.
That's a great job.
Yes, so we'll be having 12,000 people who will be able to do something for themselves, sell, get some little money to take care of themselves and their families. Then the next layer of the project will be the much awaited for factories. We'll start the cassava processing factory. We'll do the palm oil processing factory. We'll do the coconut processing factory. We'll have the water factory. And then when we are done with that, then we'll tackle the biggest project ever, which is the Gomoa West Industrial Park, which will be at
some say kasa enwumre we nka police CID na say yoko ho no say yoko na beje no nka ho aboma be
elections there are other matters for various constituencies now and also here attention equally and we are boom and the party na issue we say nyame bo chna obia ye nyina ye kan boom akoyoko ho akogina ntimi dem fi say the party na was so mu ye no maye nieme was so mu putting across asat now me the aka umunyanye NDC party omo abemu muchi size like that ye chi chama to me foforo na eba abemu no hra ye nyina MPP for nyina akọ as time goes on then ni pay break ye normal to what nipa na be kokora na e be take time to mobilize people e jina nipa no said the niema 1212 intimi dem me fi say enchi ayekora with Dennis the enemy me fi say we are on course then ready china ni edi animu ye de beba na ye be hu de ebe now because they say wo hwe me kura me no mo kasa nyina wo ko Facebook kura na media houses akese nyina publish Dennis Miracles aboaje free enye law is no law so I mean we are nyina so come to with money you mutu ya no ma yes ade no nti me dem fi so omo na omo kwan so afa wo de yenhwe Okatachi free fan Okatachi free fan de me pepa say me tie voice of MPP na dwenkyerɛ but Okatachi free fan say de me kan ye no ana me sen ka se mo me ye de no kra ka asɛm a ɛyɛ Okatachi free fan na ne ho ahini nti ɛna asɛm no ne ka no ɛyɛ akyɛ yi Okatachi free wani so na fo obi foforo si wani so sa ade ɛkɔ so is it the right thing yɛde injunction ato abaso yɛde ato so yɛde injunction to so from court party steering committee through the general secretary steering committee ataman ka ho bi party ni mu mpanyifo ka ho 1 or 2 amoma yɛ meeting omo de letter ababo ntis emma mo nto aba no Ashanti region ma mo organize elections no ɛwɔ Asante Achim Central any Asante any Efija Secretary East emma mo nto it is a mu court no kra no se wo se mu bu mu party no mpanyifo asem mo di free headquarters abeka kire mo am region na mo antie na se region for matimi have bumra no so organize elections no na se ntokwa yesia wo se wo blemu hwan Okatachi for it for what na be blemu Okatachi emra nya adwuma de omo ya ne ye wrong ebia na Okatachi betimi atena se atwen so won ka hwe no nko atwen de ase akoto party mpanyifo ani ma hwe ahye no beteki fine but emra no party na ka kire mo se emma mo nye na matena region honom ase abomodin a organize sa elections we sa suban no mo de ti Ashanti region hono enu ti na de bia independence free oba obi kasa no obi si okay free pon sa na odi ye party no so ye okay free pon mo ye ne den omo ye okay den baby amo wo no Asante Achim South wo si ye pe okay mo se damodi apia kubi ene be hye nkrofo pon mam kanu kure say de tie na independent de bia beba okọ independent no winning so with huge margin Oye MPP ni ade na wono no so mo pe na mo mfa ne ba ade na jese mo kotintim krofo nsa de wo ma wo mo mpe na eba ade nti ye nimra so go party kan sem se munya de se mo se na elections we say executive mo antwam kure be me nwanwa because mo anim mra so nti wo se mo so mutwam me ka me nko wo se nko mutwam nyema bi omo ye na elections no wo Ashanti region no tan odi collapse the party wo Ashanti region e koso bebre nyefe ye wo fe wo se aka ya sa nkansa bo adu na nkansa me penasem wo na wo hwese de wa boa party ni ade na but nyema bi wo ho mo ya enye right wo ntimi take party ni at ransom se wo de wunya kasese ya e wo sese ni ye ma wo ye nyina de mra na ye adwuma wo party so bi a wo party no bi aso wo mfa mra nya adwuma party ni be de ayi enye yi nti se party ni ya yi mpanyifo akogina ya nim so wo mo no mu nka asem mai wo mo ka asem wo se ye de ye adwuma nti party ahye mra we na mo wo Ashanti region mo mpanyifo e ho headquarters aka asem akere mo na mo ani so ne se mo timi ahwe organize elections na bo abra mo ani mo emra no so mo pese mo kase enye fe tele nti media mi Okatachi no na niam bi a wakeka ene ne ya na ogusu keka te se de Kofi Champion kan ye ne bi wo ho kasa bo so ase ato bi afam ni ande mi Okatachi de ne ho ye mehi pa as a person man kan na me boy because ne ni ya wo ye wo party ni mu no ni ade no ensem fata but ne course no enra no enye wrong Okatachi minim se mo hono so mu fijanse je mu ni be me bi aka Okatachi hu se sen na interese Okatachi no ba no ba because Okatachi no
Jollof oba ikura wo oba wo ho nya wa yibia made na mumo no anwo ho na
there be so oba no ne papa no tie oba no we unzi wedi watana ne papa ne ohene no but nkansa boadu no na de kuromafo no kan say papa no yes papa no unka ho bi you see wo to me there utumi uyine otumfo mo na eguru wo de wo akiri ba kura mienu ni unity oil nti wo de sika de mu obi mu fie mu sika nti wo tumi wo san de yene nti wo de tumi de okura bi but tumi no ma ne nka baby e wo se ka party no nka ho sɛ woyɛ MPP ni a woyɛ MPP ni woyɛ MPP wo ho na wo sponsor year fine constituency na wo ba ne DMP wo mu wo position ni sen ade ndi na pɛ sɛ wo capture party no e de ma wo ba no woyɛ sa wo ba no wonyɛ hwe yo woyɛ ade papa wonyɛ bɔne so na ne ho ayɛ hi nti time bi wo sɛ papa no ne ba begina sɛ yɛ to election kra yɛ constituency ne wo so mo hwɛ so papa no wo upper hand papa no so nka constituency executives what are you talking about nti wo yɛ sa bia na kyese wo asɛm no papa no sɛ yɛ mo amfe wani anka asɛm na ne ka no ɛdi because see ane to we papa no ne fie ɔno na ama Ashanti region efi kɛse ɔmo de ayɛ regional headquarters papa no ndu bɛ den no aka na asɛm enti sɛ the national executive
osazima ba omia office so
yo sama ba omia nti niema no de dɔnso yɛ sɛ yɛ ka yɛ bɛka yɛ nwie ka nti ɔno niema wa yɛ de ama party no ɛno nti no office wo betimi a capture party no every executive ni nsɛm. You see, and it's not right.
Yeah, I know kata chief so kasa no o yi secret VP say ne ba no be ye deputy road minister say dey favor papa no.
Ono okatachi kura de hweti. Okatachi kasa dodo. Eno na waka. Okatachi no kura de won sem fata se won kono be because wo okatachi ye wo power na wo ma Julius Debra bo wo pa eti na make sense asem no ye nyi okatachi na mfiri ho asem ne kan wo ka because ne ho ahi wo ma Julius Debra bo wo okatachi pa na akotena omo FM no so na wo tuma na yen na ade ko opposition wo ye opese obedi MP
NDC for a bomb every video power.
Nti asem no de e okatachi nti but de ekoso no so ma hwe ya wo okatachi gina independence obewini because se si ano omo se di mo nyame mo nyina wo ho e wo sa constituency wo ne wo tiktokers ni bebre a omo wo sa ehono mo no omo wo sa constituency
grounds to go independent
and constituencies say no mo nyina ye fed up with the woman and a lady no nya hwe yo ba ne papa ninti
se nwa ne papa no bo obi aso nkra ho
na ye koto aba papa e fa ho be wo yo hene utana fie aya sechese wo Ghana wo to me ninti ye koto abakura na waduru ho party na ekoye meeting na waduru ho no wa me achew party ba wo ya ade ne achew ne ajelu 2 ye do odo ko ya ne ye do ko remind 2 weeks wo ye party for sa ebe na party no mama na ya kono ehonom enti party de ekoso de man no ma papa no yesre no yesta independent be free wa ba ye panacho omo ni nsem kakra ma yen yesre no yenim se wa boa yen ye ka se omo ya na ye boa wa boa yen we appreciate it but yesre no oma party ni nrane onja ne ba bi akra no so onya akra obi odi MP jano no anya na de jano no anya na de ye to abakura wo hwem a wo pese wo so obi atoma wo ba no aden jano no mo ne bra
no kasa
nti